How do insurance companies value a personal injury insurance claim? Hi everyone, Anthony Riccio of Riccio Law, a Massachusetts personal injury and criminal defense law firm with offices in Quincy and Attleboro, Massachusetts. The question of how insurance companies value personal injury claims is one that I regularly receive from clients and potential future clients. And what I can say is, while there's no set formula as to how insurance companies would value a potential personal injury claim, there are a number of factors that they are going to look into when evaluating the claim. First and foremost, the insurance company is going to look at liability. Their main objective, one, is to determine whether or not their insured is actually liable in this potential claim. So the first thing that the insurance company is going to do is going to look at the evidence surrounding the claim to determine whether or not they think their client is even liable for the personal injury case. If the insurance company takes a position that they don't believe their insured is liable, then regardless of the amount of medical bills and other factors that one would normally look at to value a personal injury claim, if the personal injury company doesn't believe they're liable, then they will probably value the claim at $0 or make a very low offer in an attempt to prevent any formal lawsuit or further litigation. Once the insurance company assesses liability, if they do believe that their insured is exposed and may be liable, then there are a number of other factors that the insurance company is going to look into when valuing the claim. They'll look at the extent of the injuries, what the injuries were, and they'll do that by reviewing medical records, any sort of letters from doctors or medical providers, things of that nature. And to kind of go along with reviewing the extent or the severity of the injuries, the insurance company is going to look at the amount of medical bills. Obviously, the amount of medical bills is going to be a huge factor, really for both sides of a personal injury claim when trying to assess the potential value of the claim. In addition to the injuries and the medical bills, an insurance company is going to look at whether or not the injured party missed work, and if so, how much work they missed. So there is something called lost wages that will be factored into a potential claim, as well as lost potential future earnings. For example, if someone after the injury cannot go back to the same line of work and now their future earning capacity is less than what it was before the injury. Those are things that are also going to be looked at. And while not necessarily easily quantifiable, an insurance company is going to look at the pain and suffering. That can be physical pain, mental anguish, and just looking at how long the recovery process was or is going to be, if there's permanent injuries, things of that nature. While that's not necessarily an exhaustive list as to what an insurance company is going to look to when evaluating a claim, those are some of the key factors that are going to be considered in any potential personal injury claim. So if you find yourself in a situation where you think you may have a personal injury claim in Massachusetts, feel free to contact Riccio Law and we'd be happy to provide a free case evaluation. Thank you.